disc. Your dantian, when it rotates, when the opponent hits you right across, that hit is called a Peng. You hit that wheel right on the center here, it does this. That's called a Peng energy. You hit it slightly off towards here, from center, this entire quarter is Peng. It's a hit, it's a direct, very hard drive up, Peng energy, loading up. Once you reach here, this feeling, if you have a wheel turning here, you touch here, it does this. That's called the roll back. It feels like when you are standing here, you try to touch here, it pulls you. So this area is Lü, that's a Peng. This area is Ji. Ji is anything that takes up space. So when I touch him here, or you touch me, see, this is a Peng. This is Lü. But I cannot Lü him, he's too strong. I take up this space, that's Ji. So you take up this space. The last one here is An. An is when your opponent is on the decline. Here. He is on the decline here. And you go with him and send him down. That's An. So there is bouncing, there's a following, there is going closer, and there is separation. Those are the four cardinal Peng Lü Ji An. So we give them different names for different energies. In the end, it's all from a rotation. It's where you grab. So you can do a horizontal, flat disc. And if you touch here, it does this. You touch here, it pulls you. You touch here, it comes very quickly to you. And towards here, it does this here. You have to jump. That's An is a push that creates a separation. A push that does not create a separation is called a Ji, means squeeze. Because this is a, if I cannot get you away, I just go like this, it's a squeeze. But I go and you're gone. That's An. So this is the four cardinal ones, Peng Lü Ji An. So it's a hit, it's a pull, it's a step in, and it's a separation. So all those things you can see are all results of different touches in different positions because of different revolutionary or rotating directions. Energy always the same. Now you understand? You cannot intentionally create, I'm rolling on you, I'm pushing you, I'm squeezing you, and none of that. You just rotate. When you're rotating, your opponent touches you on two spots, he's in big trouble. Because one spot feels like pushing, another spot feels like pulling, and he does not know what to do. But all of those come from the same energies rotating. So that's why you never hold a rotating disc. When something is rotating, you touch here, it does this to you. You do this, it does this to you. It's too much. So our job is to create a rotation. When you can rotate, your opponent touches you, every single person who touches you will tell a different story. Because it's not possible to touch exactly the same two spots. When the spots are a little bit different, he will say, oh, Master Chen is very strong. From that position, his position is, he says, no, I worked with Master Chen for a long time, not strong. Very, very empty. Because he's used to touching this certain place all the time. That place of that, you touch here, no power. Touch here, it feels like it hits you. So that's why Tai Chi is very mysterious. Because it's real, and yet for every person touching feels different. You cannot come to a consensus. Because 360 degrees during a rotation, where are you touching it? How can you guarantee you are touching the same spot all the time?